Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language on the LENOVO K5 Play. So, to begin you want to enter any place where the keyboard pops up. Now, you can change the language by swiping on the spacebar. If you want to add any new languages, you can tap on the 4 squares, Language, and then add any of the available languages. After which, it will be available when you swipe on the spacebar. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.